our YouTube channel for more recipes. Please subscribe.
Welcome to Steve's Kitchen. Today we are making a fresh squeezed juice. We're making the get up and go. And what I like about this juice is you have a lot of different ingredients, but it comes out the way it tastes is really good, and it gives you the energy and the vitamins to get up and go. So the ingredients we're going to use for this juice are apples, carrots, beet, ginger, and cucumbers. That's the first ginger. Then the beet, we're going to clean the beet. With the beet, we'll go for juice. We're going to use 1/4 of this beet. Okay, so with the recipe, we are going to use a piece of ginger almost the size of a quarter, because ginger is very strong. So the first thing we're doing, so we're going to put the ginger inside. Then we're going to put 1/4 of a beet. We'll put the beet inside. Then we're going to put 1 apple. We're going to put 1 cucumber. And we're going to use 4 carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we have the get up and go juice. Look how delicious it looks. Wow. So what happens, the ginger is a little spicy. You put the beet in it. Then you got the apple with sweetness. You got the cucumber, the refreshener, and the carrot adds more sweetness to the juice. Wow. I mean, with the ingredients, when you say the ingredients, it's hard for me to explain to you how good it tastes. So please go buy the fruits, the vegetables, make this juice, and you're gonna feel great.